Hi friends! Today I want to show you the perfect strap for your iWatch. That is this one. Came in this bag. And we're gonna try it in this moment because I'm so excited to use it right now. So look at this. Look this beautiful design. Have like a flower sample, some plants. It's black color. This is a plastic strap, but it's so high quality materials. And this, you can feel the design. Have like this up in your strap. So let's go try it. This is my iWatch. So as you can see, it's so easy to put. So let me show you more close. It's beautiful. I love it. Look gorgeous. It's perfect with my outfit right now. And the quality is the best. So I highly recommend this strap. See you.